Hey guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in the contest. You have to find a hidden question in a video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Winner has the opportunity to get his or query solved through direct discussion with me or in comments. They can also ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 24 hours of the uploaded video in paint comment section.
This video I will teach you how to make a relay at home. This is simple, small, low voltage relay, not a mechanical, it is electrical relay. You can see in my hand this is a relay. This is a mechanical relay. This relay consumes I current like the 5 milliampere to 1 ampere max. This one is working at 12 volt. It is also variant in 5 volt, but not at 3 volt. This is I'm show you a simple relay which is used only but on 3 volt only supply 10 nano amps. It is very well working. This is a circuit little bit modification, but I this is a negative for 3 volt side optodopter and anode side 2.2 kilo ohm to 3 volt signal or 3 volt power ammeter to fuse to 10 to 20 volts and DC 10 to 20 volts, and there are fuse connected this connected bulb drain source to ground as well as source to gate 10 kilo ohm, gate to collector 2.7 kilo ohm resistor. This is a multi-divider volt divider, which means when we positive voltage flow this way, I also flow with this load and stop line now. So MOSFET is closed. When the signal, this LED's light emit to this after this LDR switching this positive line to this date, and if a turn limit for date is not high voltage, so there are protect to date to high voltage and high current. So that's why this resistor required, and this resistor pull down when close this circuit. Date is charged by positive voltage, so it is required to discharge resistance between negative, which means source. There's a circuit. I am little modification. So I want to have this type of MOSFET 40N03. So I am using 80NF70 MOSFET instead of this MOSFET, and I also I am putting my optodopter in my Bluetooth chargers available in my tool set. I remove optodopter, I not take a new optodopter, so that's why my numbers are unknown number. So there are PC817 and not have this type of optodopter. I mean this number of optodopter. I am same optodopter used, but there are no number marked inside. So optodopter are little bit old, but it's working. And just I give an example, when this 9 volt battery only 500 milliampere, you can use 10 to 20 volt 10 amperes of current, but keep in mind instead and thermal radiator applying on this resistor. I am give a demo, so I not connect it at all. Before showing circuit, let's test it. This advice 3 volt signal sense wire. You can use output analog digital converter voltage max 3 volt. So they are easily to use this, and this is consume lots amount of power, which power have ADC microcontrollers. See, fan are working. Keep in mind, fan working with battery power, not a cell power. When I connecting a disconnected battery, for showing you battery are disconnected like this. Battery are open. Now I connecting this. You can see like there. You can see I will connecting the wires. You can see not fan working, which means fan working. Fan is 12 volt. Fan data power to this 9 volt battery by applying 3 volt signal into this optodopter. This optodopter switching between positive to date of a MOSFET, and MOSFET source to drain, and drain connecting to fan, and fan like there. Now explain a circuit first. This is a battery connector. I made a made with this old type of put it batteries. That batteries put it out this pin other and connect like there. Otherwise, I am sit in city city center area, which means there's a lots of homes and there are lots of nice them. There are positive, then upload pin number 2, pin number 1, upload connecting 2. Black wire upload number pin number 3, connecting to this resistor is 2.7 kilo ohm as well as 10 kilo ohm resistor to ground, which means source of the MOSFET as well as battery negative, and after ammeter connecting to, which means pin number 4 connecting to positive as well as battery positive as well as fan positive, fan negative connecting to drain, and they connecting to the center tap, which means pull up and pull down resistor. So it is required when you use a MOSFET, it is also required a pull up pull down resistor. Otherwise you can use NPN resistor, they are not required. But MOSFET is very powerful thing, such as not NPN. So they are connecting down to 10 kilo ohm pull down and this 2.7 kilo ohm pull up, which means positive flow when signal applied. This was on, voltage flow this to this way, and this was active. When close and this those that ground to this resistor to this means this resistor is connected in negative line and this resistor positive line, and this resistor is voltage drop with reduced resistance acts like a 8, which means these resistors are too hot when this setting is working. Otherwise, I am leaving at 9 volts right now, so it is less than, so not hot at all. Otherwise, priorities keep in mind, never launch priority plan. That's like me. I am following the priority, so that's why I implemented the launch priority, but I there is not damage right now. But I not recommending priorities matter. So this is a DC volt. Other you can use my MOSFET maximum voltage 62 voltage can handle with maximum. You can use 160 volt MOSFET, one IRF Z44 and IRF 3205 MOSFET use this handle up to the source drain volt up to 150 volt and turn maximum 10 amperes. I won't have, and also I am doing for lots of shops for transistors. I cannot find any shop in this transistor, so I am use this 70 and 80 and 70 type transistor. This circuit in my circuit, which means which circuit made, which way circuit I am made it. I am little bit modification this, after modification this circuit just with 12 volt 2 ampere charger. You can see in my table right there, converting a connecting circuit with 12 volt 2 ampere charger, and now after 2 ampere charger, and now after to test. Now you can see I am connecting the charger instead of this battery. This battery instead of connecting a charger. Now you can see this resistor are heated, little bit boiling, but I not think this circuit is most powerful, but I am never recommend you can touch light here. So the resistor is more and more hot. You can see fan are working when I just applying 3 volt battery. Other, this is a galvanic isolation, which means I will touching a positive line, negative and positive with my finger. Although there are transformer power supply, but there are galvanic isolation, which means after isolates primary and secondary side acts like a transformer. Yes. Let me wire fall out. Right there. Be carefully. This method is not good. Resistors are very hot, I think, but I have no thermal imaging camera right now, so that's why I not check the temperature. And I think it is not when I am doing which way I am doing, I am not recommended at all. Which means circuits are working, I am putting around, but I not recommend at all. So this circuit is made by alligator clips, not a breadboard and not a PCB. So that's why there are little bit move wires. So that's why I will touch my put my hand to wires never short out and switch close the switch. So I am seen on this circuit diagram and explain how after board and how the galvanic isolation is. But before turn off the switch, never overheat components. There are circuits. You can see there are LED and there are photoresistor. LED light it to photoresistor and photoresistor switch the positive line get of the terminal of this MOSFET. There are a gap inside. There are one tolerance in LED and other tolerance is tolerance LDR resistor. So there are light it to LED to LDR resistor. There are no any connection inside between primary and secondary side. So that's why it's safe. When there are no isolation bus flat net, you also touching right in there and there it is safe, but I not recommend it at all. So I never know people what are doing. So for example, alligator clips, most times alligator clips are move back and forth, may little bit short circuit in this and optodopter may or optodopter are burnt with over voltage issues. So optodopter then may be short. If you do not non-isolation power supply, never touch this signal point. If you touch, you receive a nasty shot. I am not recommending at all. And this video with next video very soon. But by the way, there are on test. So the test is question is why is this optodopter using circuits? Why optodopter using circuits? This is a question of today to test. And next video I will show you how optodopter uses power supply, how it works and why power supply made of most power supplies and chargers. Optodopter is common thing we have in finding many types of chargers such as mobile chargers, Wi-Fi chargers and SATA chargers. And this video is done. Will come next video very soon. And I am planning made a 3-day video plan, but it's not. I have few works on my projects, so I hope I made a video in this week continuously. And this video is done with next video very soon.